Welcome to the District Selection Committee 2025 portal. To begin, log in with your credentials. And open the left side panel. Under Services, click Web Options School. Then select your preferred Mundles and schools. To improve your chances, choose all remaining Mundles and schools as well. You can also sort the schools. You can save the preferences. Click Preview and Submit. To review your details, check the declaration box and generate the OTP. Verify all information before submitting, as changes cannot be made later. After clicking on Submit, click on the print to download the soft copy. Thank you.